In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an alternative search engine to Google Chrome with a focus on using DuckDuckGo. This is a simple process, but one that can significantly enhance your browsing privacy and search results. First things first, let's get started by launching Google Chrome on your computer. Once you have Chrome up and running, take a look at the top right-hand corner. You'll notice a set of 3 vertical dots. Click on these and a drop-down menu will unfold. This menu holds a variety of options, but for our purposes today, you'll want to navigate to the section labeled Extensions. Hover over it, and you'll see another option popping up. Visit Chrome Web Store. Go ahead and select that. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, take your eyes to the search bar, which is usually situated at the top left corner of the screen. Here, you're going to type in the name of the alternative search engine you'd like to add. For this tutorial, we're using DuckDuckGo, which is well regarded for its privacy features. Simply type DuckDuckGo into the search bar and press Enter. Once the results load, you'll spot DuckDuckGo, among other extensions or search engines. Look for the option that allows you to add to Chrome. It should be prominently displayed next to the DuckDuckGo entry. Click on Add to Chrome, and a pop-up window will appear, asking for confirmation. In this dialog box, you'll want to click Add Extension. It's important here to ensure that the extension comes from the official source to prevent any security issues. The extension will now start installing. You'll see a quick download, and within moments, you'll receive a notification indicating that DuckDuckGo has been added to your Chrome browser. To check if everything has been set up correctly, open a new tab in Chrome. You should now see DuckDuckGo as an option, or even as the default search engine, depending on your settings. From this point forward, you can enjoy using DuckDuckGo for your web searches, knowing that it is designed to prioritize your privacy. DuckDuckGo doesn't track your search history, allowing you a more private search experience compared to some other search engines. And there you have it, a simple few steps to enhance your browsing experience by adding an alternative search engine to Google Chrome. Feel free to explore the settings within DuckDuckGo to customize it further according to your preferences. We hope you find this tutorial helpful and empowering, making your browsing session both safer and more personalized. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for more tech tips and tricks.